September 4th, 1939. One day after Britain and France declared war on Germany, the Royal Air Force prepared for its first mission. In the early hours, a squadron of British bombers lifted off, flying across the North Sea toward the German coast. Their targets, naval warships, anchored near Wilhelmshaven. It was Britain's first offensive strike of the war. The raid was daring but costly. Many bombs missed their targets, and several British aircraft were shot down. For the crews, it was a harsh introduction to the realities of modern war. Though the attack caused little damage, its symbolism was immense. Britain had moved from words to action. The Second World War was no longer just declarations and ultimatums. It was now a shooting war. September 4th, 1939, the day Britain launched its first air raid of World War II.